Hi, my name is Yusuf Osman and I'm a leather craftsman from London. Today I am here at the second annual Leather Symposium at Birmingham City University, and today we are discussing themes around preserving heritage and embracing modernity. The importance of events like this at the university, they're really vital for students because what they do is they introduce them to designers, fashion designers, craftspeople, activists, people who are professionals working in the industry that maybe they wouldn't have access to otherwise. They can meet them, listen about their experiences, be part of the workshops. It's really hands-on, really friendly, really engaging, and I think it's really important to have these things for students so they get a chance to experience from people who are doing it now, but also it's really great to network so that they can meet us, get in touch with us and have connections with us when they leave.